Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have for you here another Mandeville home. This one is just 8 minutes from Mandeville Town Center, and this home comes with a nice family feel to it. Generous flow of light, lovely bedrooms, well kept bathrooms, spacious living room, and separate dining leading into a well appointed kitchen. This home consists of 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and is located in the community of Grove Mount. With half-acre or 25,046 square feet of land area, the possibilities are endless to expand your garden or add to the various fruit trees on this property, such as avocado, breadfruit, ackee, tangerine, limes, and more. Other features of this home includes ceramic tile, garden area, water heater, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, central location, easy access, family oriented, recreation nearby, and quiet area. The current price of this house is US 230,000 or Jamaican $36 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.